Hello everyone. All right, so now we will be talking about this beautiful art form which is Meenakari. So I have one question to ask first. That how many of you know that from where is this Meenakari originated? So can you tell me that from where is this Meenakari originated? Jaldi se write it in the chat box. Hi to all of you and thank you so much Amarjeet and thank you so much Laksh. Okay, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Rajasthan. और मेरे सेशन में गूगल बाबा अलाउड नहीं होते हैं क्योंकि उन्होंने रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं कराया ठीक है ओके ऑल राइट राजस्थान so everybody feels okay dream is written writing Iran everybody feels that it's an Indian art form if you feel it's an Indian art form just write yes let's see कितने लोग ऐसा फील करते हैं कि ये इंडियन आर्ट फॉर्म नो निधि says no okay बाकी लोग बोल रहे हैं yes yes one more no can read one more no अच्छा तो बहुत से लोगों को लगता है कि इंडियन आर्ट फॉर्म बट बहुत से लोगों को नहीं भी लगता दो तीन नाम मैंने पढ़े जिनको नहीं लगता कि इंडियन आर्ट फॉर्म यस एस रेड्डी प्लीज राइट योर नेम एंड वीना जी यस इट्स अ पर्शियन आर्ट फॉर्म गाइस it's not an Indian art form it's a Persian art form this beautiful art form is originated from Persia and the craftsmen of Sassanid era जैसे हमारे इंडियंस में है ना eras we have Iron Age Stone Age Indus Valley civilization similarly there was this era in Persia which was named as Sassanid era तो उसके जो craftsmen थे they used to practice this beautiful art form ठीक है now another interesting fact is that this particular art form was brought to India by the Mughal emperors in 15th century. भैया 15वीं सदी से existing है हमारी कंट्री में ये तो हम कह सकते हैं हमारा भी अधिकार है we also have some right on this art form because this is existing in India from 15th century. Okay, now this particular art form is majorly practiced in 3 states in India. First is Uttar Pradesh, then we have Rajasthan, then we have Gujarat. तो जितने लोगों ने राजस्थान बोला अपने लिए तालियां बजा लीजिए बिकॉज हाँ यहाँ पे मेजरली प्रैक्टिस होता है ठीक है इन उत्तर प्रदेश दिस इज वेल नोन एज नक्काशी और मुगलई आर्ट बहुत से लोग जानते हैं देन इन वाराणसी दिस इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द लाल और गुलाबी मीनाकारी and then you can also see it on jewelry or jewelry boxes in Rajasthan and on fabric in Gujarat ठीक है so 3 मेजर स्टेट्स हैं जहां पे ये आर्ट फॉर्म प्रैक्टिस होता है नाउ आई हैव अनदर क्वेश्चन ठीक है पर वो क्वेश्चन पूछने से पहले एक छोटी सी चीज बता दो that Meenakari art form is the kaleidoscope of colors and patterns lot of colors and lot of patterns keeps on changing once we make Meenakari ठीक है बहुत सुंदर सुंदर कलर्स एंड पैटर्न से ये पर्टिकुलर आर्ट फॉर्म बनता है और बहुत कलरफुल होता है एंड काउंटेड एज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव आर्ट फॉर्म्स ऑफ इंडिया ठीक है अब एक क्वेश्चन आता है द क्वेश्चन इज that Meenakari word has 2 meanings in it. First word is Meena, second word is Kari. मुझे जल्दी से मीना का मीनिंग बता दीजिए टेल मी द मीनिंग ऑफ मीना इफ देयर इज एनी मीना इन बिटवीन अस जल्दी से टेल मी द मीनिंग ऑफ मीना जल्दी से आई कैन सी मयूरा जी इज एंजॉयिंग लाइक एनीथिंग आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू सी दैट ओके एंड आई कैन सी लॉट ऑफ पीपल ऑन स्क्रीन आई कैन सी मयूरा आई कैन सी ड्रीम तो मतलब अपने में ही सपना संगीता जी का पंखा संगीता जी आपका चेहरा कहाँ है ऑन स्क्रीन आ जाइए वी हैव एस रेड्डी जी अपना नाम लिख दीजिए प्लीज सुमा इज देयर लक्ष्य इज देयर लक्ष्य योर नेम प्लीज क्योंकि मैं देख रही हूँ ये शायद मम्मी जी बैठी हैं लक्ष्य ऐसा है क्या ओके सोनिका इज देयर ओके देन वी हैव प्रतिष्ठा देवश्री वैभवी निगार वेरी नाइस उमा जी ओके जया यूजर व्हाट इज योर नेम जिनके पीछे राधा कृष्ण जी की बहुत प्यारी सी पेंटिंग लगी जल्दी से अपना नाम लिखिए ओके ऑल राइट यस तो आंसर आ रहे हैं कि नहीं आ रहे हैं अजय बाप रे बाप आंसर्स आ रहे थे इधर हमने देखा ही नहीं ओके मेल्टेड कलर रॉक आईज फॉर्च्यून नेम ऑफ ट्राइब इन राजस्थान इतना डीपली सोचा बट मैंने बोला ना कि मीनाकारी इज नॉट एन इंडियन आर्ट फॉर्म तो भाई पर्शियंस ने नाम रखा होगा इसका है ना सो मीनाकारी का मतलब होता है मीना का मतलब होता है हेवन और द पैराडाइज बड़ा अलग था ना एंड कारी का मतलब होता है टू डू समथिंग ऑन समथिंग एल्स together it makes the paradise on an object so this is such a beautiful art form that this is known as the paradise on an object okay yes ये है meaning मीनाकारी now मीनाकारी is done by 2 techniques First technique is doing it on the hard base, and second technique is doing it on the soft base. So when it is done on the hard base is like the ceramics, the glasses or the metals. This is done by the enameling process using the intense heat. ठीक है? And जब ऐसे करते हैं तो enameling process और intense heat के साथ बहुत ढेर सारे obviously tools are being used because heat is being provided to the jewelry or any of the things जो hard है base पे. ठीक है? Now it is done on the soft base. Soft base में paper, fabric, canvas, and when it is done on the soft base, then colors are being used. So acrylic colors or the glass colors are used as the base color for coloring the base, and then 3D outliners are used for the detailing portion for making the patterns. ठीक है? आया इतना clear हुआ सबको? Golden color use करेंगे ड्रीम जी. ठीक है? All right. Yeah, okay. Nidhi is saying that we didn't know the meaning of that. Thank you for explaining. Welcome, dear. All right. Okay. Now we will be talking about two types of मीनाकारीज. अभी तो मैंने techniques बताई थी. अब दो types भी होती हैं. इसके बाद हम आएंगे अपने drawing part. ठीक है? So there are two types of मीनाकारी. First type is एक रंग खुला and second type is पंचरंगी. एक रंग खुला and पंचरंगी. So there is one differentiation between ek rang khula and panchrangi, and there is one similarity between both of them. Yes, okay, Diana, I'm just continuing in English, don't worry. So the similarity between ek rang khula and panchrangi is that in both the things, the detailing color or the 3D outliner remains the same. Okay, and the differentiation comes with the base color. So if you are coloring your design, if you are coloring your base with one base color, then that will be ek rang khula. If you are using more than one base colors, then that will be panchrangi. I'm giving you the example now. Suppose I'm preparing a necklace. So I have a base of the necklace. I just made the design using the 3D outliner, which is the detailing part. And if I am using one color just to paint the complete base, then that will be ek rang khula. But if I'll be using multicolors, more than one colors, then that will be panchrangi. Okay, I hope that is clear now. Now we will be starting off with the session. So what you guys are going to learn today? So today I am going to teach you the basic things. Basic things covers the basic borders, the basic shapes, and lot of descriptions, like the description about the color scale. Then I will be telling you about the front pattern space, the background. Lot of things are there which I'm going to explain to you guys. Okay, and those things are very, very important. Basics are extremely important, because if the basics are not clear, things won't be properly explained or understood. Okay, so we will be starting off with the basics, and obviously whenever I give any of the sessions, I always start off with the basics. Those who are taking my class, another class, I also give the Varley class and fabric painting class and all. So those who are taking my second or third class, they understand it well, that whenever ma'am starts any of the courses, I always start off with the basics, because whenever we go to the school, we go to the nursery class first. Na? Nobody is there who goes to 12th class first. Hai na? So just imagine that this class is your nursery class and you guys are my chote kids. Okay? No matter what is your age, if you are 80 years old, no, you are my bacha. Okay? And lot of my children, they love it. When I call them bacha, na, they are like glad. My God, ma'am ne age kam karti. Okay. So this is all about today's class. जो मैंने बताया हम ये सब cover करेंगे. We will be covering all these things. Now everybody has to be ready with the pen, paper, and scale. Okay. And once I'm done with my drawing part, I will be showing you the stuff as well, whatever I make and whatever I teach in the master class. Now what is master class? Master class is something leveling up. Leveling up is very, very important, because obviously this is a very detailed kind of an art form. So leveling up is also very, very important. So सारी चीजें we will be covering in the master class जो बच जाएंगी, and lot of paintings we will be making in the master class. उसके बारे में we will be talking later on. Our moderator will tell you about that, and she has lot of surprises for all of you, so do not go anywhere, because मेरे लिए कोई surprise नहीं है, आप ही लोगों के लिए. ठीक है? All right, now just be ready with the pen, paper, and scale. I am just rotating my camera. I am also ready with my pen, paper, and scale. And the moment you guys are ready, you just have to do one thing, that you have to write ready in the chat box. I'm just bringing it close to the camera. Okay, the moment you guys are ready, just write ready in the chat box very quickly. I will just start off with the session. Okay, I can see a lot of readies now. Very nice. So we will be starting off with the basic shapes. Okay, so let's start off with the session. I can see a lot of people are extremely excited and ready. सही बोल रही हूँ ना? If I'm right, then can I get some reactions? अगर मैंने सही सही बोला कि everybody is excited. Excited or not? Yes? Very nice. Okay, so just write Meenakari basic shapes. Meenakari basic shapes. Meenakari basic shapes are very, 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 very important. क्यों important है? Why they are important? Because we will be using these particular designs and we will be actually making the intricate designs out of that. ठीक है? So few of the shapes are universal. Yes, कुछ ऐसे shapes मैं आपको सिखाऊंगी जो आपको लगेगा कि हाँ ये तो और भी art form से बनते हैं, but इसमें भी उनका major role है. That is what we'll be making them. And first one is the first universal shape, that is the circles. So just make the hollow circle, make the solid circle. If you fill the color inside, this becomes solid. Then make a hollow circle and make another hollow circle inside this. And solid circle will be there inside the hollow circle. And then keep the dot. ठीक है? इसके बाद we will be making the drops. So just make a normal drop like this. Make a pointed drop. Normal drop, pointed drop. Drops twisted towards left and right. Do not twist it very much, otherwise this will become a mango motif. What is the mango motif? I'll explain it further. These are the horizontal drops, and then these are the long drops or narrow drops. Video is not clear. Is my video clear to everybody? Can I get some yeses if my screen is visible properly?
It's perfect. It's perfect.
Okay. So, Vasu, can you please rejoin because there is some network glitch from your end. Okay. Debashri, you also please rejoin. All right. Next, I'm going to make another shape, which is the domes. So I'm just making a normal dome like this. This particular dome is little bit pointed and this particular dome is very much pointed. You can make the domes, you can add the lines as well. As said, just make it like this. These are the domes. Next, we will be making the beetles. Now, what is the beetle? Beetles are the pan shape. Beetles pan shape ko bolte hain. So just make a normal beetle like this. Make the similar beetle. Add the curve like this. Make a pointed normal beetle like this. Make the normal beetle with the spirals. What is the spiral? You will get to know in few minutes. And this is the pointed one with the spiral. Make it. So those who have joined in late, I can see 90 people in house. Welcome to the session, everyone. Those who have joined in late, do not worry. Once I'm done with my complete drawing, I will show you the full page. You can take the screenshot and practice later on as well, okay? Next, I'm going to make another universal shape, that is the triangles. So I'm just making a normal triangle like this, making it upside down, making it sideways, left and right, and a triangle and another triangle. Inside this, this is hollow, and a triangle, another triangle inside this, which is solid. Instructions to all of you. If you guys have any queries, any questions, any doubts, please put it in the chat box. I'll take your questions and I'll answer instantly. And second instruction is that if I'm going too fast during the session, you can let me know. I'll just lower down my speed. Okay. Next, I'm going to make the cones. Cones. So for making the cones,
in a bit.
Yeah, I was doing that. I already did that.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So I'm just making a V, making it upside down, making it sideways, left and right. I'm making a cone, making another cone inside this, and then I am making a broad. And now comes the mango motif. Mango motif. It's MANGO MOTIF. I'm adding S as well because multiple designs will be there. A mango motif has two other names, one in Hindi, one in English. The Hindi name is Carry. The English name is Paisley, Paisley. Hindi name is Carry. English name is Paisley. Okay. So I'm just making the first mango motif. Second one. And third one has spirals like this. So I'm just bringing it close to the camera. See? These are the mango motifs. Okay, after the mango motifs, I'm going to make the spirals. Another very important shape. So just make the spirals like this. Make it outwards. Make it inwards. Like this. Then make the spiral with lot of layers. Make the spiral like this. And you can also make the same design with lot of layers. Yes. Okay, so these are the spirals. Two more basic shapes left, and then we will be making the sundar borders. Okay, so now I'm going to make the semicircles. Actually, yes, two more shapes left. Semicircles. So for making the semicircle, just make it like this, make it upside down, make it sideways, left and right, one line and the semicircle, make it upside down and make another semicircle inside this. And last basic shape is the lines. Make till here. Last basic shape is the lines. Lines have 7 subcategories. First one is the curved lines. So if I compare the curved lines with the semicircles, semicircles are broader in comparison to the curves. So curved lines are just like this, upside down, inwards, outwards. You can make it like this or like an S. Then we will be making one curved line in the border. थोड़ी देर में बनाएंगे leaf बनाने के लिए. So उसको भी मैं यहीं बना दे रही हूँ. I'm just making it right here because I will be using it in the border. Like this. Make it please. So once I'm done with my basic shapes, we'll be proceeding with the basic borders. Now I'm going to make the second one. Vertical lines, simple things but very important, like this. Third, horizontal, it will be like this. Then we have fourth one, which is tilted and diagonals. Tilted lines or diagonals, they will be like this. Fifth one, dotted lines. The lines are close to, the dots are close to each other and the dots are far from each other. Sixth one, parallel lines, the lines which do not intersect each other are known as the parallel lines. And last one and the seventh one is the waves or wavy lines. These are the high waves. These are the low waves. Simple. Make it and just tick mark few of the shapes which are extremely important, which you have to practice multiple times. They are drops, domes, beetles, mango motifs, spirals, and curves. Drops, domes, beetles, mango motifs, spirals, and curves. You have to practice them multiple times because they are extremely important. They are used very, very much. Okay. Now we will be making the borders, and in the borders, first of all, you require the scale for the borders. Another thing is that in the borders, we will be covering three types of borders: thin borders, medium-sized borders, and the broad borders. Thin borders are the borders where the lines are close to each other. Medium-sized borders where the lines are not that close, not that far, and broad borders where the lines are actually far from each other. Okay? So three types of borders we will be making. So I am just going to make them randomly, but if you want to do any sort of measurement, then you can just go with the measurements which I'm going to tell you. So for the thin borders, you can go for 0.5 centimeters. For medium size, you can go for 1 centimeter, and for broad, you can go for 1.5 centimeters. Okay, I'm repeating the measurement. For thin border, you can go for 0.5 centimeters. For medium size, you can go for 1 centimeter, and for broad, you can go for 1.5 centimeters. Okay. So if you want to go with the measurements, that will be super duper cool. आप measurements भी कर सकते हैं, measurements के साथ भी जा सकते हैं. Okay? चलिए, इसके लिए हमें चाहिए scale. We require the scale. I'm writing borders over here. And in the very first border, every time I'm going to make the border, I'm going to tell you this as well, that this is thin, this is medium, this is broad. In the very first border, I will be teaching you a lot of things. I will be explaining a lot of things. This particular first border is very, very important. And this particular border is actually a medium size border. I'm just making two lines like this. Just a moment. Okay, can you please lower the sheet? Can you see that? Okay, so I'm just going to make the first border now. Welcome. In this, I'm going to make the domes like this. Just make the domes like this. Make another dome inside this. And third one goes solid.
Vasumati, for the demo class, no recordings will be provided. In the master class that ma'am was talking about, each and every session will be recorded and provided to you. The demo class recording will not be provided.
Okay, so between the domes, I'm just putting the dots like this. Now I am going to explain a lot of things to you guys, so just kindly pay attention. Okay, so very important thing is, the first thing is that all these things which we have made using the black pen, जितनी भी चीजें मैंने इस border में black pen की help से बनाई हैं, all these things are the detailings. Okay, so the first line, the second line, all the dots, first dome, second dome, third dome, all these things are the detailings. Generally done by 3D outliner, that too gold, and in this case gold is the detailing color. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया हमारा डिटेलिंग कलर के बारे में. ठीक है, जितना भी ब्लैक पेन से पोर्शन बना है, whatever we have made using the black pen is the detailing. Detailing like first line, second line, first dome, second dome, third dome, all the dots. These are the detailings. They are generally done by 3D outliner, that too gold, and in this case gold is the detailing color. Generally detailing color के लिए हम गोल्ड यूज करते हैं काफी ज्यादा, इसलिए मैंने गोल्ड लिखा है. यू कैन चेंज द कलर एज वेल. ओके, all right. Now forget about the detailing color, we will be talking about the base color further, but before that let me tell you that the space between the domes, you see the white portions between the domes, these are known as the background. ठीक है, and the space inside the domes, like between the first and the second dome, between second and third dome, they are known as the front pattern space. Okay, the space between the domes is the background, the space inside the domes is the front pattern space. Okay, I hope this much is clear to everyone. Now if I am coloring the background with any of the light base colors, अब हम detailing color को भूल जाएंगे, अब हम base colors की बात कर रहे हैं. We are talking about the base colors, we have to forget about detailing color. So if I'm coloring the base with any of the light base colors, suppose yellow, then in the front pattern space the dark base colors will be used. So between first and second dome I'm writing red, between second and third dome I'm writing green. So all these colors are the base colors, and we generally use the glass colors or acrylics for this. Okay, great. All right. Okay, so yes, we were talking about the base color now. So ये detailing portion खत्म हो चुका था. एक बार छोटा सा between the domes is the background, the space inside the dome is the front pattern space. ठीक है? Now if I am coloring the background with the light base color, suppose yellow, so यहाँ पे front pattern space पे the dark base colors will be used. Vice versa, contrast बनाना है, color contrast create करना है, that is what the color scale is. And for coloring the background, we generally use the base colors, the glass colors or the acrylics. So this is about the base color का यूज. ठीक है, कैसे हम बेस कलर्स को यूज करेंगे. नाउ आई हैव रिटन 3 ऑफ द बेस कलर्स, दैट मीन्स दिस इज पंचरंगी. पंचरंगी because 3 base colors हैं. If I would have been opted just one base color, suppose red या कोई भी, तो वो हो जाता एक रंग खुला. If we colored the background or the front pattern space with just one color, तो वो एक रंग खुला हो जाता. I hope that is clear to everyone. Image is now clear, everybody? Can you please write it in the chat box if it is clear? ये था description about एक रंग खुला, color scale, background, front pattern space, पंचरंगी and everything. ठीक है? Now we will be proceeding further and we will be making more of the borders. So I am just making another border. And this particular border is actually a thin border. I'm just making it over here. Thin border here. So as I told you that I'll be telling you every time I'm going to make it. So this is the hollow circle. Inside the hollow circle, there will be a solid circle inside the hollow circle. Hollow with hollow, hollow with solid. Make it please. Simple border. And I hope my lovely students are there. Yes, सब enjoy कर रहे हैं, कोई बोर तो नहीं हो रहा. आपको ना 1-2 मिनट का गैप भी मिल गया बीच में, मतलब मैं गायब हुई, थोड़ा सा रेस्ट मिल गया ना. Okay, all right. इसके बाद we will be making another border, and now next border will be a medium size border. Medium size border. Okay, so I am just making the beetles in this, like this. Beetles. And I have made the pointed beetles with spirals. You can make any of the beetles of your own choice. ठीक है, आपकी मर्जी. You can opt any of the designs from the basic shapes and you can just make it. Okay, and if you guys are actually drawing along, please write yes. जितने लोग बना रहे साथ में, they can write yes please in the chat box. जल्दी से. Let's see how many of you are drawing along. Wow, this is amazing. Very nice. Very nice. बहुत बढ़िया. बेहतरीन. Okay, next I'm going to make another thin border. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. So I'm just making the spirals in this. Like this. This is another border, which is a thin border. और इस thin border के बाद में एक और border बनाएंगे जो होगा medium size. Another border which is a medium size border. Just a moment. This is a medium size border again, and in this I am going to teach you how to make the buds. So just make a curve, make a hollow circle, put a dot. Make a semicircle, add two curves like this, make a dome and add the leaves. Curve, hollow circle, dot, semicircle, two curves, dome and the leaves. Repeating it, curve, hollow circle, dot, semicircle, two curves, dome and the leaves. Line extend कर दे रही हूँ थोड़ी सी मैं. Can you see that? Okay. Now again I am going to make another border which is a medium size border और इसके बाद we will be making a broad border. ठीक है? This is also a medium size border. I'm just making a petal, making two petals both the sides. Lotus बनाएंगे border में. And the spirals like this. Repeating it. Petal, two petals both the sides. And the spirals. Petal, two petals both the sides. And the spiral. Make it please. Once more, which one, Biji? Which one? The buds one?
I think
The bud वाला ना यहाँ बना दे रही हूँ. You just have to make a curve. You have to make a hollow circle. Put the dot, semicircle, two curves, dome, and the leaves. Simple. Okay. अब भी हम बनाएंगे broad border. Very very interesting. Broad border. Broad border की size याद है आपको? 1.5 centimeters. Welcome, Vijay. Okay. Now there is a way of making this beautiful border. Just make a curve. Make one petal like this, another petal touching the curve. Make two petals on the upper side, one petal on the lower side, and make a curve. Now make this particular curved line जो मैंने आपको पहले सिखाई थी. Just copy the curved line over here. Make a curve from here, make a curve from here, make a semicircle and make two curves. I'm repeating it. Curve, one petal, another petal touching the curve, two petals on the upper side, one petal on the lower side, curve, a curved line, one curve from here, one from here, semicircle and two curves. Repeating it. Curve, one petal, another petal touching the curve, two petals on the upper side, one petal on the lower side, curve, the curved line, one curve from here, one from here, semicircle and two curves. Simple. Isn't it beautiful? अच्छा लगा हो तो please write it. Okay? जल्दी से. And after this we will be making another border, beautiful border, और उसके बाद I will be showing you the stuff as well, whatever I make and whatever I teach in the master class. So now the border is another border which is a medium size border, but we will be making two lines close to each other both the sides. Nice, na? Thank you so much, Seema. Okay, so I'm just making a vertical mango motif over here. vertical mango motif. I'm going to solid this. I'm going to solid this as well. For the third one and the first one. And in the second and the fourth one, I'm just making the lines like this, which are horizontal. And between these, I'm making the vertical lines to make it more detailed. Make it like this. Mango motif बनाने में थोड़ा सा problem आती है सबको. But practice is needed. Yeah, तो practice कर लेंगे तो problem नहीं आएगी. Don't worry. Once you are practicing the things, तो problem नहीं आने वाली. ठीक है? Nidhi, thank you so much for the appreciation. This really means a lot. Okay, so now is the time to show you guys the full page first. पहले मैं पूरा page दिखा देती हूँ, so that you guys can take the screenshot of it. ठीक है? I will be showing the full page. You guys can take the screenshot. जिनसे miss हो गया है, they can take the screenshot and practice later on as well. So I'm just showing the full page now. Okay, so you can see the full page. You can take the screenshot. So now I'm going to show you the stuff, whatever I make and whatever I teach in the master class. So I have this CD and मैंने CD पे बनाया है peacock. And इस तरह के 13 different ways में peacocks बनाना मैं आपको सिखाऊंगी, which are made in Meenakari. 13 different ways. Okay. So this is the part of the master class. Then I have a lot of posters with me, and these posters are made up of the MDF board cutouts. So you see, there are a lot of posters which I have made, and this is also the part of the master class because you will be learning the coaster making as well in the master class. मैंने तो बहुत ढेर सारे बना डाले हैं. You can see this, बहुत ढेर सारे हैं. So I will be teaching you as well how you can make the coasters, how to do the waterproofing of it as well. Okay, peacock once again. Can you see this? Okay, so हम coasters भी बनाएंगे in the master class. ठीक है?
Guys, can I get some reactions in the chat box? Such beautiful things we are going to learn in the master class, but I cannot see any interaction in the class.
Okay, next I'm going to show you the paper jewelry. Now I have the paper jewelry with me, which is waterproof, which is durable, which is hard, and I already do the business on this. So I will be teaching you how to make the perfect paper jewelry using Meenakari art on it. Amazing, na? बहुत amazing होता है. Because we have another courseware for paper jewelry as well, but you guys are getting this as complimentary thing क्योंकि आप लोग ऐसा कुछ सीखेंगे क्योंकि मैं already paper jewelry designer हूँ. Okay, now lot of my students say, मैम मीनाकारी को अगर हमने कैनवस पे नहीं किया तो मजा ही नहीं आएगा. So canvas painting is also the part of your course. You will be learning the canvas painting as well, and lot of my students, they learned the canvas painting and now they are doing the wonders क्योंकि बड़े बड़े orders they are just taking, क्योंकि ये मैंने जैसा कि बताया, this is one of the most expensive art forms. तो आप आराम से अच्छा खासा पैसा भी earn कर सकते हैं with the help of this particular painting. Okay, and last but not the least, I have this floral pattern painting on ivory sheet. We will be making this as well, so आप अच्छी अच्छी चीजें बना सकें. And Meenakari is not just wall centric or paper centric. You can make it on any of the bases. I have made it on my mobile cover, you see. So आप भी किसी भी चीज पे भी beautiful painting बना सकते हैं और लोगों को खुश कर सकते हैं.